All right, guys, 10th Jim Broski here. I'm here with my cousin Marcus. What's up, man?
Going on, Living Legend Mars. You know, we out here creating some more content for y'all, man. We trying to do it big out here on the car scene.
Hell yeah.
Just let y'all just hear it a little bit, you know.
He's in his Charger, man. We're about to go for some runs. Holy shit. Damn.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Super. Just a little something, you know what I'm saying? Slow it down a little bit. You know? Everybody likes that little hit from right around second gear.
Oh shit, here we go. Holy shit. Oh my God.
Yes, sir.
Shit.
We just hopped in the third, so you know, just a little something slight. You know?
Man, it makes me miss my Malibu, bro, with the turbo. Oh my God. Oh my.
It's real torquey. Like that's
I love it. No, I love it, dude. Makes me, man. Once I get my shit going, cuz I'm gonna get me one. We'll be doing our shit, man.
We'll be outside, man. Hey, no matter what you bring to the meet, man, as long as you come outside or you support, we're outside. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, I'm trying some new tents out and some vinyl wrapping around the car. So you're gonna see it evolve and grow as we get there. But like I said, man, YouTube has just been really fun, man. Just getting to know everybody. You know, got my stickers out on the car, so people always let me know when I'm driving nicely and properly.
You heard it from my cuz, y'all. Stay tuned for more of his content. I'm definitely gonna post his channel on my description, so stay tuned. But man, let's go have some fun, man. This car for a little bit, man.